What's up, guys? Today we are going to take a look at some state-of-the-art car technology that will leave your mind blown. Carbon fiber steering wheel cover. Having a hard time turning your steering wheel which feels greasy or dry or being simply uninspired? This carbon fiber clip-on cover will outfit the whole interior in 10 seconds literally. It snaps on, does not slip, and the laser textured carbon fiber shoots out of the frame the instant light falls on it. Sweat, heat, scratches, this one shrugs all that away and your wheel is as fresh as ever. It fits majority of 14 to 16 inch wheels such as cars, trucks, and SUV. Just snap it on and drive. A minor addition that would make your entire car high-end. Tire pressure monitor. Know before you go. The Timthat TM8 is a real-time tire pressure monitor that fits on your windshield and informs you every second. High air pressure, leaks, overheating, etc. It warns you immediately with 6 smart alarms and never let the issues become the roadside disaster. It is solar charged and has a brighter screen and can be installed within minutes. Guessing whether your tires are safe or not is no longer required. You will even know what is happening before you get out of the driveway. Car Jump Starter, the all-in-one survival tool. The Utri 4000, a jump starter, has the capability of starting almost every vehicle within seconds. Trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, even gas engines of 8.5 liters. And the crazy part? It's also a 150 PSI air compressor to inflate a flat tire in a few minutes with auto shut-off precision. It has a large LCD display, emergency lights, and is operational even during the freezing conditions. Whether you drive anything on wheels or not, this is one tool that will come in handy to bail you out on any given occasion. Programmable LED sign. Get your message seen. Have a hard time capturing the attention of people despite having something to say? It is essentially a spotlight of whatever it is you want to say, but it is a programmable LED sign. It is super bright, customizable as hell, and you can place anything on it, whether it is text, emojis, animations. It is right in the app and you can place everything in a few seconds. It is flexible and unbelievably lightweight, hence you can stick it on your car, your shop window, your booth, and any other place where people can see you. Companies, artists, food trucks, this one makes people turn their head without even realizing the reason. Wireless CarPlay adapter, cut the cord. Introducing the Tyran wireless CarPlay adapter. This mini cube will make your wired CarPlay a complete wireless freedom. It goes into auto connective when you turn on your engine. No apparatus, no latencies, no drop wires. CarPlay is inexplicably fast with its 2.4/5 GHz dual band chip. Maps, music, calls, everything works without a significant delay. Furthermore, this mini adapter will not get hot during long journeys. It will fit securely to any USB after locking in any rough road. Assuming your vehicle is wired with CarPlay, it is the easiest immediate upgrade that you can undergo. CarPlay screen. Turn every car into 2025. Here is the Von CarPlay screen, the plug-and-play upgrade that will make any car feel it is a 2025 model. You have a clear 10-inch screen that even remains clear in harsh sunlight. Besides, Ultra Vires wireless CarPlay and Android Auto that boot on as soon as you turn the key. And this does it better than your factory screen. You also have an inbuilt 4K dash camera, a 1080p back camera, and 4 options of streaming audio directly to your car speakers. It can be set up in minutes using the suction or 3M mounts. No electricity, no chipping anything off. Mirror dash cam, see it all, front and rear. Introducing the Wolfbox G900 Pro, which is the rear view mirror camera that upgrades your entire vehicle, and all this without you even having to touch a single setting. You receive 4K at the front and 2.5K at the rear. Thus, you have so many plates, lanes, and late night drivers clear as day, courtesy of that Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor that is even sharper in the dark than your eyes. The Wi-Fi at 5.8 GHz issues videos to your handset immediately, and voice control implies that you do not have to put your hands on the wheel. It is equipped with 128GB card, GPS, loop recording, the entire package. It's not just a dash cam, it's a complete safety system. Heads-up display, your dashboard has just got smart. Drivers are seizing this little device since it transforms your automobile into a smart person at once. It simply connects to your USB jack and a large digital display of your speed is shown on your windshield like an actual HUD. It automatically adapts to the sunshine, remains crystal clear on a dark night, and the GPS and BDS chip is fastened to it to be as accurate as a Manic. And when by mistake you go beyond the limit, it reminds you even before a policeman can. Zero wiring, zero setup, works on almost any car. It is the safest safety improvement that can be fitted in a few seconds. LED floor mats. Make a splash before the engine starts. Have you ever in your life entered a car of any person and felt the vibe before the engine even started? This is what these LED floor mat lights do. They transform your ride into a moving aesthetic augmentation. All that you see can be customized on your phone colors, patterns, brightness, speed of the flash. And they are waterproof and sturdy and idiots to install. It is that type of upgrade that makes your car seems like an experience and not just a means of getting around. Compact vacuum car, tiny but mighty vacuum. Meet the works Cube Vac. This small 3.5-pound vacuum strikes far larger than its size. It has an air life capacity of 27.5 cubic feet per minute, sucking out dirt and seat, mats, and those cracks never easily removed between the console. The 4-foot retractable hose allows you to get anywhere without a pretzeling of oneself. It has one-touch emptying, HEPA filters, and it operates on the Works PowerShare battery. There you go, in your car, home, office, and anywhere. Cleaning your car has never been that easy. The Anti-Theft Beast steering wheel lock. It is the disc clock, which is a complete steering wheel lock that is fully covered in spinning and which thieves despise. It can only spin when one attempts to cut it or twist it. They can never steer it, drill it, get the airbag, anything. And this gold edition is a dumb tough anti-grind material, which is the one recommended by the police. It matches 90% of vehicles, includes 3 keys, and it is quite literally as close as you can be to getting the impression that your vehicle is not being stolen that night. Interior car lights. Light show to your night drive. Tired of your car looking dull at night? These Govee car lights go and make your whole inside appear either basic or, yeah, what car is that? In seconds. They are shot through with several different colors at the same time and can be synchronized to your music and literally can be a light show with every beat. And the best part, everything is controlled by the app. Colors, brightness, vibes, and a full DIY mode with 16 million possibilities. 2-line installation, 72 lights, fits all cars, trucks, and SUVs. It is the most convenient way to turn your night drives into an experience. OBD2 gauge display. Transform your dashboard to a cockpit. This small OBD2 gauge alters the entire game. You simply plug it in and you have live speed, RPMs, temps, voltage, even turbo pressure all on a sharp IPS display. And in case something goes off, it sends instant warnings of overheating, low voltage, or engine problems before they become costly. Also, your dash is made to appear pure futuristic with the ambient RPM lights and themes. This is the wisest upgrade you can make in a few seconds to any car after 2008. Wide-angle rear-view mirror, kill your blind spots. Switch lanes and go blind a second? This Liv-T wide-angle mirror attaches that immediately. The curved HD glass displays far more: side lanes, back seats, blind spots, everything visible. The blue anti-glare lens eliminates the glare of red-blooded headlights at night, and it slips on in a few seconds with no shakiness. Provided you are seeking a low-cost upgrade that will do any good in improving safety and ease of driving, then this is the one. Retractable backseat charger, power everyone. It is a retractable backseat charger that features 2 inbuilt cables, one iPhone 1 and one USB-C Android and even laptops. And it is 65 watts, so it is not that slow fake charging. It's legit fast. No wires all over the place, no messy installations, and all the riders will be sure that you are a genius. This is a one upgrade, almost a pro car upgrade. And that's a wrap, guys. When you are in love with these car gadgets, tap that like button and leave a comment as to which one mind-blowingly impressed you. Thanks for watching. What are the 15 car gadgets you are purchasing? In the comments below, please tell me so. And be sure to subscribe and like more videos.